There could be another 2008 style financial crisis. Stick with me for a little bit. I will explain it all to you. If you understand this, you will know more about financial markets and the risk in your lives than anyone else you know. Here is the issue: the Japanese carry trade. There's something in finance called a carry trade. Hedge funds and other institutions, they like to invest money to make a return. So let's say you have an investment where you can make 10% a year. Well, go ahead, put your money in there. But what if you could find a way to borrow money at 3% a year? And so now you can borrow at 3%, invest at 10%, you make 7% a year. Now you can find that lower rate if you go to Japan. You borrow in Japan, in Japanese yen, they have very low interest rates. You take that money, you invest it somewhere else. But if you think about it for a second, yeah, it's nice to make 7%. You could make $7 million. So this just keeps going up, and this is called the carry trade. You borrow in one thing, you invest in another, and you make the carry. That is the difference in between. There's an estimate that there are between $250 billion and $1 trillion invested in the Japanese carry trade. And this has been going on for years. There's other carry trades. It's just a part of finance. Japan is borrowing more and more. It just elected a new prime minister that will probably raise Japan's debt even more, and interest rates are spiking. This is a chart here. They've just gone super high in the last few months. This interest rate makes volatility in the currency. The currency has been going up. Now it's taking a dip down. So when you see all these things happening, you have to unwind your carry trade, right? It's not the bet you thought you made. There's more risk there. When people start selling, that drives the assets they were invested in down. And so now that other people start selling other things, and that drives them down even further. So this could be just like the housing crisis, when there were all these subprime mortgages packaged into these other things and levered up and borrowed. And then once people start selling, it spreads throughout the economy. And everyday people end up going, what is going on with our financial markets?